Assalamu alaikum students, welcome back. But this is our lecture number 12 regarding coordination chemistry or coordination compounds. Previous lectures was discussed about the nomenclature of coordination compounds. We are discussing the nomenclature of coordination compounds. Don rule पर previous lectures was Rule number 1 was about the naming of positive part first, followed by the negative part. Then the name will start with small letter and the complex part will be named as a single word. Rule number 2 was वुचान के ligand हुन नाव कित कन दिमो अस तथ मज कर अस कथ गोडनेथ of unidentate negatively charged ligands अख टेबल बनो अस तथ टेबलस मज वुचो तय कथ लिगेंडस कोस छु डोनर एटम चार्ज कोता छु तो नाव क्या दिमो अस. Now today we will talk more about rule number 2. Today we will see the ligands which are again unidentate ligand his kath karo is. Say first we will talk about the unidentate neutral ligands. Unidentate neutral ligands. इमो मज वारियाहन लिगेंड हुंद नाव तय वुचमुत टेबल बनावस बे ताकि ब्रोकन यस कहन प्रॉब्लम तिथे कन बनावस गोडनिकस कॉलमस मज अस लिखान लिगेंड क्या ओस अमुक नाव. नंबर 2 दोयमिस कॉलमस मज अस वुचान फार्मूला. त्रेमिस कॉलमस मज अस वुचान चार्ज. चूरमिस कॉलमस मज अस वुचान डोनर एटम. पूंचमिस कॉलमस मज अस वुचान नेम नाव क्या दिमो वसित ligands. So let us start with some of the unidentate neutral ligands. See, number 1 is methylamine. Its formula is CH3NH2. Charge is equal to 0. These are all electrically neutral. And here donor atom is nitrogen and it will be named as methylamine. Chaliye, this is number first. Number second is ammonia. Formula is NH3. Nitrogen bears pair of electrons. Charge is equal to 0. Donor atom is nitrogen and it is named as amine. It is named as amine. Note it, that is AAMMINE, amine. Number third is water. It has a special name. Donor atom is oxygen, has 2 pairs of electrons. Charge is equal to 0. Donor atom is oxygen and it is named as aqua, or it is also sometimes named as aquo. Number next is beta pyridine or pyridine. It is this, or C5H5N. Nitrogen is donor atom. Charge is equal to 0. Nitrogen is donor atom and it is named as such pyridine and its abbreviation is PY. Abbreviation is PY. Likewise, we have nitric oxide. Formula is NO, nitrogen monoxide, and here charge is equal to 0. Donor atom is nitrogen and it is named as nitrosyl. Nitrosyl. जल्दी पंप थे तो ध्यान. Methylamine CH3NH2 charge is equal to 0, donor atom is nitrogen, and its name is methylamine in coordination chemistry. And then we have ammonia NH3, charge is equal to 0, donor atom is nitrogen, it's named as amine. Then we have water, formula is H2O, charge is 0, oxygen is donor atom, it is named as aqua or aquo, it is special name. Then pyridine, it is C5H5N, nitrogen bears lone pair of electrons, charge is equal to 0, nitrogen is donor atom, and the name is pyridine. Next is nitric oxide or nitrogen monoxide, having formula NO, charge is equal to 0, nitrogen is donor atom, and then we have its name is nitrogen, its name is nitrosyl. So then we have number next, that is carbon monoxide, and then formula is CO, charge is equal to 0, oxygen is donor atom, and then it is named as carbonyl. It is named as carbonyl. चलिए, likewise we have thiourea, it is NH2 CS NH2, and sulfur is donor atom, charge is equal to 0, and then we have, this is named as such thiourea, or its abbreviation is TU. Please note it down. चलिए, rule number 2 समझिए बात करें about the naming of the ligands. We have seen in our previous lecture how to name unidentate negatively charged ligands. Today we are seeing some of the neutral ligands which are unidentate. We have started with methylamine. Now this is important. And then we have ammonia, water, pyridine, nitric oxide, carbon monoxide, thiourea, and we can quote so many examples, but these are some of the important examples that we will come across in the coordination compounds. Chalo. So this is about unidentate neutral ligands. Now we will see some of the unidentate positively charged ligands. These ligands are very feeble in number. Here we have ligand, then we have formula, and then charge. We have unidentate positively charged ligands. Number first is known as hydrazinium ion. Hydrazinium ion, its formula is NH2 NH3 positive, charge is equal to +1, donor atom is nitrogen, name is like this, hydrazinium. This is first unidentate positively charged ligands. There are very lesser number of positively charged species which act as ligands. Among them, the first one is hydrazinium ion. Number next is nitrosonium ion, and it is NO positive. Charge is +1, donor atom is nitrogen, and it is named as nitrosonium. Number third is nitronium ion, and it is NO2 positive, charge is +1, donor atom is nitrogen, and it will be named as nitronium. So these are some positively charged unidentate ligands. Hydrazinium ion NH2NH3 positive, charge is +1, donor atom is nitrogen, and the name is hydrazinium. Then we have nitrosonium NO positive, charge is +1, donor atom is nitrogen, and it will be named as nitrosonium if it acts as a ligand. Then nitronium ion NO2 positive, and then charge is +1, donor atom is nitrogen, and then it will be named as nitronium. बेटा बेक फिर वन बह रूल नंबर 2 वजाहत सान पारान ताकि ब्रोहन गस प्रॉब्लम कहीं तमाम लीगेंडन हिज फार्मूला डोनर एटम चार्ज यह हावान तो करो कोशिश गसन याद रोजन प्रैक्टिस करो कॉपी पे नोटबुक पे करो प्रैक्टिस वार 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 तो ब्रोहन बास अम कोऑर्डिनेशन केमिस्ट्री वारिया ज़्यादा ईजी गोडनेथ वुचस यूनिडेंटेट नेगेटिवली चार्जड लिगेंड्स दमिस केसस मज वुचस यूनिडेंटेट न्यूट्रल लिगेंड्स त्रेमिस केसस मज वुचस यूनिडेंटेट पॉजिटिवली चार्जड लिगेंड्स नाउ वी विल टॉक ऑफ सम bidentate ligands rule number 2 as maz kar bawan kesan bidentate ligands general kar ba kath one whether these are negatively charged or these are neutral general as maz how is one man ligand number 1 first ligand is oxalate ion, abbreviation is OX. It is COO negative bonded to COO negative, or this is C2O4 negative ion. Yeah, one by it contains C2O4 and then 2 negative ion. This is oxalate ion. Charge is equal to -2, -1 on first oxygen atom, then -1 on the second oxygen atom derived from oxalic acid, and then donor atoms are 2 ni-oxygen atoms. 2 oxygen atoms, and it will be named as oxo. It will be named as oxalato. Number next is acetyl acetonate. See, most of these cases you have seen, and then acetyl acetonate is CH3 C double bond O, and then we have C H, and then we have C double bond O, sorry, it is C O negative, and then it is bonded to CH3. चलिए, then this is double bond. ये मिशकात ची में कर्मत चीलेशनस मज. This is oxalate, this is acetyl acetonate ion. Charge is equal to -1. There are 2 oxygen atoms which act as donors, and then this is named as acetyl acetonate. Acetyl acetonate, and then its abbreviation is ACAC. Number 3rd example is that of glycinate ion, and it is CS2 NS2 and then COO negative, and then its charge is equal to -1. Donor atoms are 1 oxygen and 1 nitrogen atom, and it will be named as glycinate. So these are some bidentate ligands. The first one is oxalate ion. It is derived from actually oxalic acid. The formula is C2O4 negative ion. It is CO negative bonded to CO negative. Charge is equal to -2. there are two oxygen atoms which act as donors, and then it's named as oxalative, meaning thereby agar oxalate ion aase kun shay mawjood as a ligand is dimo naw oxalative. Then acyl istonate is kath x example mas bronkun karmus patna lecture mas imsatan acetylation per charge is equal to -1. This is its formula, and then there are two oxygen atoms which act as donors, and then we have its name is acyl istonate. Third one is glycinate ion. This is its formula. You have learned about the amino acids and proteins, all that, and then we see this is derived from glycine, and then the charge is equal to -1. There are two donor atoms, one is oxygen, the other one is nitrogen, charge is equal to -1, and then it will be named as glycinate. Moving on, then we have one more example of what is known as dimethyl glyoxime. Dimethyl glyoxime, and this is its structure. This is donor atom and this is donor atom. Now this is dimethyl glyoxime, charge is equal to -1, and here it is O negative ion bearing pair of electrons which acts as donor, and then nitrogen acting as donor. It's a bidentate ligand, charge is equal to -1, and then the donors are one oxygen and one nitrogen atom, and it will be named as dimethyl glyoximate. Dimethyl glyoximate, and its abbreviation is DMG. Dimethyl glyoxime. And there we have some of the bidentate ligands which are actually negatively charged, and here we have oxalate ion is the first example, then we have acyl istonate ion, then we have glycinate ion, fourth example is that of dimethyl glyoxime ion, and then the IMS columns and then we have the formula and the structure of some of the bidentate ligands, then we have the charge of the corresponding ligands, and then in the next column we have the donor atom kus chat ligands mas mawjood, and then we have the name of the corresponding bidentate ligand yus naw dimo yem satan ye mawjood ase coordination compounds mas. Likewise, we have talked about some of the neutral bidentate ligands as well, which I feel are not necessary to mention here now. The first case is that of ethane 1,2-diamine. We have talked about dipyridyl or 2,2-dipyridyl, which acts as bidentate ligand which is electrically neutral. So this is about some of the ligands, how they are named while we try to name a coordination compound. So tamam ligand and maximum ligand his kath karis tihun charge kya aise to rule number 2 makle hochi. So jaldi paham quickly karba revise. Rule number 1 as karis kath positive part as the most godnat now, negative part as the most tampat now. Shabash positive part Austin simple ion or complex ion doesn't matter, and then we saw name will start with a small alphabet. The complex part will be named as one single species. Rule number 2 was purely for naming of the ligands. Ligands kya the most now. On that basis, we have seen some of the important ligands, though we can move on. There are ample examples of the ligands, but the most important ones we have discussed about. Then likewise we have seen the tridentate ligands, tetradentate ligands, pentadentate ligands, hexadentate ligands. The tihun structure the now chase already homut. The demagas mas baki kya important was the honest. So rule number 3 beta. Rule number 3 is about the ligands again. ligands kya dimo now ti wuches. Now rule number 3 ch vanan numerical prefixes like di, tri, tetra, shabash, penta, hexa, penta, hexa, etc. must be used to indicate the number of a particular ligand. अगर आप ligand आसी मौजूद in multiple numbers, say for example we have a ligand, let me quote an example here. We have AgCN whole 2, charge is equal to -1, and then if I say this is 8Na, let us see both rule number 1, 2 and 3. Rule number 1 chona godne these hote positive parts now. Time hisab go shabash. Now at potassium. So it is potassium. Shabash. So chona complex part of now using here time now go single name. Then ligand is now. We have seen cyanide is a ligand. Amuk now the most cyano or cyanido. Now as per rule number 3, agar aap ligand aasi multiple number and mas mojood. So we are writing here numerical prefixes like di, tri, tetra, then penta, hexa, etc. must be used to indicate the number of a particular ligand if present in multiple numbers. Yeah, in multiple number. And then also corresponding prefix use karnas. Di for 2, agar z ligand asan tel go di, agar 3 asan tel go tri, agar 4 asan tel go tetra, agar 5 asan tel go penta, agar 6 asan tel go hexa. So agar ak ligand asi mujud z kan ida example mas pe now dicyanide. Agar 3 asan tricyanide, 4 asan tetracyanide, 5 asan pentacyanide, 6 asan hexacyanide. So this is about rule, and then the number of the ligands, if it is present in multiple numbers, must be indicated by using the numerical prefix. Whose prefix is di for 2, tri for 3, tetra for 4, penta for 5, hexa for 6. So for example here we have godnet positive parts now, pat negative parts now. Shabash. Itanchi ligand isme broken kaach karan ligand is godnet now diwan. So it is dicyanide, and then we have it is argentate. So one bapata and then we will see it is oxidation state. It will be equal to +1, and that we will indicate. Filal chis rule aspect nazar trawan. So it is x1 x minus 2 equal to x minus 2 equal to -1 x equal to shabash. It is potassium dicyanide and then argentate. So this is rule number 3 telling us that numerical prefix like di, tri, tetra, penta, hexa, etc. must be used to indicate the number of ligands. Yahan chis how number of ligands kute asan atmas. Baki kaach chis bahun karan ki yath kya zon mein argentate ya itan kya zon mein godnet ligand, and now that will see rule number 4. So filal thawas itan dhyan. Agar byak example by dim say for example we have this example, there it is CuNH3 and then whole 4, and then this is it. These are both homoleptic complexes. Only one type of ligands. It is 4 ammonia molecule. One muchutai ammonia molecule. Let's just now the one amine. So it will be named as godnechi positive parts now. It is name will start with small alphabet tetraamine, and then we have copper, and then along with this oxidation state, and then sulfate. The yim 3 rules unitan hesh the mushwas tim 3 rule chart but employ gasan godne dimo positive parts now, padimo negative parts now. Now we start with small alphabets. Tetra stands for, this is as per rule number 3, tetra, 4 amine, tetraamine. Beshi byak cheez dhyan thaun. टेट्रुहुक ए एमाइनुक ए यूजुअली वुचान ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री मज नॉमेनक्लेचर मज ए ओमिट कर मगर ये दशवे ए थवन टेट्रा ये अति मौजूद एमाइनुक ए सह मौजूद विदाउट एनी स्पेस टेट्रा एमाइन दिस इज टेट्रा एमाइन टेट्रा इज फॉर एज पर रूल नंबर 3 फॉर the numerical prefix tetra is used for the number of ligands equal to 4 agar a particular ligand is equal to 4 times then we will use the numerical prefix tetra, so it is tetra. Likewise we have the other example of, say for example we have the examples which was FeCN6 and then this is K4. Got the most positive part is now it is potassium, but the negative part is now yemuk akui now yet complex part it will be hexacyanido ya hexacyano hekat now dit and then ferrate the central metal atom cost just no kara ke ya no central metal atom rule on us ke shabash. So this is about rule number 3 magar rule number 3 as mas caution ak ya rule number 3 as mas ke cheez important tai यम याद थवन तिमन कित कन करो numerical prefix use ध्यान थो सा. So again for rule number 3 however you will note it however ligands possessing यमन ligand and possessing name कुछ name आसी यमन मज मौजूद कैसन ligand and आसी नाम मौजूद आत मज say for example di ट्राई टेट्रा एटसेट्रा इन चीज आसन मौजूद possessing name डाई ट्राई टेट्रा एटसेट्रा या वन बा possessing डाई ट्राई टेट्रा एटसेट्रा in their name ठीक है क्या ligands यमन जन डाई ट्राई टेट्रा पन्निस नावस अंदर कन already आशे like we have ethane 1,2-diamine like we have dipyridine यम तो example वुचमस छो are named by placing numerical, now this is very important, numerical prefixes bis, tris, tetrakis and then pentakis etc. if present in multiple numbers. Now this is very much important. अगर कुनी लिगेंडस नावस अंदर कन कुंति जाय स्टार्टिंग पे या लास्ट पे या मिडलस मस कुंति शय आसे यूज गसान वर्ड डाई यूज गसान ट्राई नावस मस आसे सिवान टेट्रा एटसेट्रा देन पता आसन ति मल्टीपल नंबर मस पत अगर तय प्रीफिक्स यूज आस तिमन खतर करन यूज डाई हेको न यूज करित के अगर दय फिर सु लिगेंड was मौजूद तेल छ बिस यूज करन अगर 3 मौजूद तेल गो ट्रिस यूज करन अगर 4 मौजूद तेल गो टेट्राकिस यूज करन अगर 5 यूज आत्मज मौजूद तेल गो पेंटाकिस एंड देन हेक्साकिस so on and so forth. मिसाल के तौर पर अगर आप लिगेंड आसे say we have like this, there it is NiDMG whole 2 वन में तय रूल नंबर 2 में DMG को मतलब क्या गो dimethyl glyoxime. Now this is dimethyl glyoxime. Here also ligand used ligand should dipyridine. The dimethyl glyoxime is present as 2 ligands या dimethyl glyoxime ions च मौजूद as ligands मगर dimethyl glyoxime पन्निस नावस मज डाई यूज गसान. सो अगर मैं येतन आसे यमिस न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स यूज करन बहक नतन यूज करित के dimethyl glyoxime बल्कि यमन खातिर छ यूज करन येतन गस यूज इट इज bis. शाबाश पत कित कन कर बई यूज पत क्या नाव वन बई इट इज bis dimethyl glyoxime and then we will name it as nickel along with its oxidation state that we will see. मगर ये तन थयु तय ध्यान oxidation state थो में तन लिख रही यतन ओस डाइमीथाइल कच लिगेंड्स ज इन नंबर अगर मैं अतन नंबर हावन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स यतन हेक न डाइमीथाइल ग्लाइऑक्सिम यूज करित के चाहे कुन तय डाइट्राई लिगेंडस नावस अंदर कन मौजूद तेल अगर जासन तम मौजूद तेल बिस यूज कर बाकी ब्रैकेट वैकेट क्या बह यूज करान वन कर मे अमिश कत के वी आर सीइंग रूल नंबर 3 how to use the numerical prefix. So if it is a ligand possessing di-tri-tetra in its name, then if the same ligand is present as 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 in number, then we will use the numerical prefix bis for 2, tris for 3 and then tetra kis for 4, penta kis for 5, so on and so forth. Likewise, अगर एग्जाम्पल दिमहा we have there it is pt cl we have like this for example we have pt and then en whole 2 and there we have having the charge equal to +1 and then this is cl ध्यान थे बेटा अगर रूल नंबर 1 2 तो 3 ऐसे यूज करो रूल नंबर 1 वन गोडने दियो पॉजिटिव पार्टस नाव चलो यह पाई ये पॉजिटिव पार्टस दिमोस नाव तम पे दिमोस नेगेटिव पार्टस नाव नो प्रॉब्लम रूल नंबर 2 इज फॉर लिगेंड्स यथ मज कुछ लिगेंड ईथेन 1,2 डायमाइन अत नाव यह ईथेन 1,2 डायमाइन रूल नंबर 3 नंबर ऑफ लिगेंड्स खतर प्रीफिक्स यूज कर ये ईथेन 1,2 डायमाइन मॉलिक्यूल मौजूद एज लिगेंड्स ठीक है मगर ईथेन 1,2 डायमाइन अत मजबाग नाव इत डायमाइन आव अमकिस दिस इज ईथेन शाबाश 1,2 डायमाइन कुन तन अमकिस वर्डस मज डाइट्राई यूज या डाइट्राई टेट्रा कुन तेल हेको दोन लिगेंडन खतर डाई यूज कर तेल यूज कर बिस अगर 3 फिर मौजूद तेल यूज कर ट्रिस अगर यह 4 फिर मौजूद तेल वनोस टेट्रा किस अगर 5 फिर मौजूद तेल वनोस पेंटा किस अगर 6 फिर मौजूद तेल वनोस शबाश इथे कन वनोस हेक्सा किस so on and so forth. So here we have the ligand अगर ये वना बह दी तो न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्सेस वनु तुम नाव क्या करो ये यूज ये करो बिस ईथेन 1,2 डायमाइन प्लैटिनम इत पे नाव so this is अगर नाव लिखस बह it will be बिस शबाश बाकी how it is ईथेन 1,2 डायमाइन बिस ethane 1,2 diamine and then we have platinum shabash platinum and then it will be named as platinum chloride now. So this is it how we will name we will use the numerical prefix bis yeten hekna numerical prefix di use karit ke shabash. This is about rule number 3 rule number 3 as maz won beta अगर कह लिगेंड आसी मल्टीपल नंबरन मज मौजूद तेल अगर दो फिर लिगेंड्स ऑफ सेम टाइप वी विल यूज द न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स डाई 3 आसन ट्राई 4 आसन टेट्रा 5 आसन पेंटा अथ मज वर्ड ऑफ कॉशन या अथ मज समथिंग इम्पॉर्टेंट या अथ मज एक्सेप्शन या अथ मज मॉडिफिकेशन क्या मॉडिफिकेशन मॉडिफिकेशन अगर अख लिगेंडस नावस अंदर कन डाई ट्राई टेट्रा पेंटा हेक्सा तेल अगर सह मौजूद इन द नंबर ऑफ 2 3 4 5 तेल हेको डाई ट्राई टेट्रा यूज कर तेल अगर 2 लिगेंड तेल बिस कर यूज 3 आसन ट्रिस कर यूज 4 आसन टेट्रा किस कर यूज इर्रेस्पेक्टिव ऑफ अत नावस कुन तन डाई यम स्टार्टिंग मज डाई मीथाइल ग्लाइऑक्सिम यम 2 फिर तेल पे मे बिस यूज कर ठीक है देन वी हैव ईथेन 1,2 डायमाइन मजबाग कतन तान अमिस डाई यूज गसान अमिस हेक बवन दोन अगर 2 फिर मौजूद डाई यूज कर अतन मे यूज कर बिस ईथेन 1,2 डायमाइन. Then there is one more important point to be noted here that there are certain ligands कैसन लिगेंडन खतर यमन नावस मज डाई वाई आसी यूज गसान के डाई ट्राई टेट्रा आसी यूज गसान के स्टिल देन हेको तिमन खतर न्यूमेरिकल प्रीफिक्स डाई ट्राई यूज करित किहिन. फॉर एग्जांपल अगर ये लिगेंड इट इज CH3NH2 ध्यान थे आई विल फिनिश इट हियर Now its name is methylamine. This ligand ach now methylamine won me won toy. अगर ये methylamine आसे कुनी complexes मज मौजूद in, for example, a number of 2. Say for example, it is bonded to a metal hawan by M sit. You show a complex atmos ethane 1,2-diamine using. These are 2 in number. Usually, this is this is methylamine. Methylamine कुने शोषण में डाई यूज़ गसान किया. मगर कैंसन लीगेंड मस्टर्स बेइदान थाउन. So usually अगर मैं रूल हिसाब पका तिले उसमें आप ना वन ये कंटेंट डाई पात के बच्चों आते dimethylamine. Now it is dimethylamine. Bis में तेली यूज़ करूँ अगर हम किस नाव संदर कने आशा कुंशाइन डाइट्राई छुसा. It is methylamine चियत लिगेंडस नाव नाव methylamine. So अगर कुंशा डाइट्राई आशा तेले वहाँ पर bis मगर as गबस शुद्धी रूल हिसाब पाके तिलशिमेत नाव बना dimethylamine. Now beta you see yiman ligand khatra tishit an important dimethylamine banyo badala coordination compound. What is dimethylamine? It is like this. It is CH3 and then we have NH. Yeah, it's going to have it is NH and then bonded to CH3. So this is it. Dimethylamine boiti. One catch me figure. Attention down home. अगर मैं नाव कुनी लिगेंड बवन तो dimethylamine क्या हो न्यूमेरिकल कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंडर मस बवना कुनी कंपाउंडर्स अंदर कंच नाव लिखूं मैं dimethylamine येतन छ एम्बिग्यूटी गसान dimethylamine लुक मतलब गो येतन यति कि methylamine छ मौजूद in a number of 2 या z methylamines तो मजवन कासा dimethylamine मतलब गो यति. So कैंसन लिगेंड मज अगर प्रॉब्लम गस्य डाई ट्राई टेट्रा यूज करने से गस्य आख लिगेंड या रिप्रेजेंट करिए दोन चीजन आख लिगेंड रिप्रेजेंट गसान in the form of number of ligands of a particular type. मिसाल इतन dimethylamine है बया क्यों it is di. Now this is methylamine. This is methylamine. बनियो dimethylamine. मरे पर dimethylamine ब्याका coordination ब्याका compound. There it is CH3 NH and then CH3. There are 2 methyl groups and this is amine group. So it is dimethylamine. So ethan ligand human numerical prefix use करने से change गैसे problem गैसे ambiguity गैसे क्या स्टैटिक फिक्री इच्छा आक particular ligand in multiple number की नीचे represent करान के बदले से किस ligands ताजन ते है कौन dimethylamine use करित क्या ditri use करित क्या. So अगर यह कोऑर्डिनेट यह ligands में नाव आसी द्युन बस बेई वनान तो usually उस में आप नाव द्युन यित कोठें dimethylamine मगर तम सिद्ध गई प्रॉब्लम यह कि रिप्रेजेंट करित यमिस ligands ते CH3 NH and then CH3 शाबाश अमिंग मतलब गो और यह कि रिप्रेजेंट करित याति CH3 NH2 in the form of या in the numbers of 2. So whether that is first one or second one, this is ambiguity, this is problem. So इसलिए इथन ligand खातरते है कौन इस डाई यूज करित कि अगर यथ नाव आसी द्युन में शुद्ध नाव दिनत बेइति थे कि it is bis-methylamine. That is bis-methylamine. One chick clear it and bis stands for 2. There it is, and then methylamine stands that methylamine chart must ligand act karan. This is very much important that there are certain ligands in the navas under conchun ditri use gasanke. But yelti mujud asan multiple number on mas misal ligand chu methylamine iten chiz atmas mujud its number is 2. Agar bat now the dimethylamine am sid gay problem. Guys, sir kya problem gay? Bazar man to now kuni coordination compound say for example dimethylamine platinum for example. सो पत दबा अत लिखियो फार्मूला तह मज दपि कह सर डाइमिथाइल एमाइन बद लिख CH3NH CH3 कह दप इट इज सर CH3NH2 एंड देन होल 2 दशो रिप्रेजेंट कर डाइमिथाइल एमाइन ये एम्बिग्यूटी यन लिगेंड मज प्रॉब्लम गस हटाने खतर बिस यूज जरूरी कर ठीक है बेटा सो दिस इज अबाउट रूल नंबर 3 इन चीज़न करो तुम 1 2 3 करो तुम फिलहाल असल पे प्रैक्टिस पगह वो रूल नंबर 5 एंड देन सॉरी रूल नंबर 4 5 एंड 6 एंड देन विल फिनिश इट टुमारो इंशाल्लाह रहमान ठीक है टिल देन टेक केयर